there, Joy. Welcome back, little friends. So happy to have you back. Wow! That's a gift box. That's right. It is a gift box. And we are going to see what's inside it. Can't wait to do that, Joy. Wow! There are so many eggs. Let's take turns to open the eggs one by one. Let's open them all. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the red egg? Open. 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 Surprise! It's a lion! Yay! Let's see what the lion says. The lion goes, roar! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the black egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's an elephant! Yay! Let's see what the elephant says. The elephant goes, trumpet! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the orange egg? Open! 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 Surprise! Yay! Let's see what the tiger says. The tiger goes, roar! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the white egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a bison! Yay! What does the bison says? The bison goes, grunt, grunt. Pick me! Thank you. Shall we open the blue egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a bear! Yay! So, what does the bear say? The bear says, growl, growl. Pick me! Thank you. Shall we open the yellow egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a rhinoceros! Yay! Let's see what the rhinoceros says. The rhinoceros goes, snort, snort. Pick me! Thank you. Shall we open the pink egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's the fox! Yay! What does the fox say? The fox goes, howl, howl. Pick me! Thank you. Shall we open the green egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a hippopotamus! Yay! What does the hippopotamus say? The hippopotamus goes, growl, Shall we open the violet egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a wolf! Yay! What does the wolf say? The wolf goes, howl, howl. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the indigo egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a giraffe. Yay! What does the giraffe say? The giraffe goes, bleat, bleat. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the pink egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a hyena. Yay! What does the hyena says? The hyena goes, giggle, giggle. Thanks for learning about the surprisings of wild animals. See you soon.